Welcome back to our channel, English with Mr. G. It's so great to see you all again. Today we have a really delicious topic, literally. We're going to talk about food, and not just any food. We're going to talk about our favorite foods and how you can talk about yours in English.
Oh, wow. That already makes me hungry, Gemy. Every time we talk about food, I start thinking about pizza, burgers, noodles, ice cream, everything. Food is such a fun topic, and I think it's a great way to practice speaking English. Because everyone loves food, right?
Absolutely. Everyone eats, everyone has favorite dishes, and it's one of the easiest and friendliest topics for English learners. So friends, grab a snack, sit back, and let's learn how to talk about your favorite food in English.
Okay, before we start, let's quickly understand what we're going to learn today. We'll learn some new food words, some taste words like sweet, spicy, salty, and we'll learn how to build sentences about your favorite food. And of course, we'll do a fun role play at the end. My favorite part.
Exactly. And remember, learning to talk about food helps you in real life. For example, when you meet new people, you can start a conversation easily. What's your favorite food? And boom, the chat begins. So today, Emily and I will show you step by step how to describe your favorite food, why you love it, and how to ask others about theirs. Let's start simple. The first thing is, say the name of your favorite food. You can say things like, my favorite food is pizza. I love chicken rice. I really like spaghetti. Simple, right?
Yes, that's super easy. For me, I'd say, my favorite food is pizza. I think pizza is just perfect. It has bread, cheese, tomato sauce, and you can add anything on top. Sometimes I like it simple with cheese, and sometimes I add vegetables, mushrooms, and a little bit of chili flakes. It's delicious and colorful at the same time.
Nice description. And you already sound fluent when you add those details. So remember, learners, don't just say one short sentence. Try to add more words to describe what you love about your food. It makes your English sound richer and more interesting. Now let's move to the second step, describing the taste. You can use words like sweet, salty, spicy, sour, creamy, crunchy, soft, or even juicy. For example, my favorite food is pizza. It's cheesy and salty. Or, I like ice cream. It's sweet and creamy.
I like that. Actually, I love spicy food too, like noodles with chili sauce. When I eat something spicy, I feel alive. But I know some people don't like spicy food at all. My friend can't even eat one chili. She starts crying immediately.
Ha 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 ha. That happens to me too sometimes. Spicy food is exciting, but it's not for everyone. And that's what makes this topic fun. Everyone's taste is different, and you can describe it in English using simple words. So friends, think about it. Do you like sweet food, spicy food, or maybe something sour like lemon candy? All right, step 3. Explain why you like it. This part helps make your answer more natural. You can say, I like it because it tastes amazing. I like it because it reminds me of home. I like it because I eat it with my friends.
That's a good point. When I think about pizza, I realize it's not just about the taste. It's also about the feeling. When I eat pizza, I usually sit with my family, we laugh, we watch movies, and that makes me feel really happy and relaxed. So I can say, my favorite food is pizza because it's delicious, and I love eating it with my family.
That's beautiful, Emily. Food is not just food. It's memory, emotion, and comfort. So when you talk about your favorite food in English, you're really talking about something close to your heart. Now let's add the last detail, where and when you eat it. For example, I usually eat it at home. I often eat it on weekends. I sometimes eat it for lunch.
Yes. For me, it's usually Friday night. Pizza night. After a long week, my family and I sit together, order a big pizza, and sometimes we even make our own pizza at home. We cut vegetables, spread cheese, and bake it together. It's so much fun, and it smells so good in the kitchen.
That sounds amazing, Emily. So if we put all your sentences together, it becomes a full paragraph. My favorite food is pizza. It's cheesy and delicious. I like it because I eat it with my family, and we usually have it on Friday nights. Perfect English, and full of emotion, too. All right, friends. Time for a role play. Let's imagine Emily is at a restaurant, and I'm the waiter. You can listen, repeat, and then try to do it yourself later. As waiter. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Sunny Pizza House.
As customer.
What would you like to
Good
order
evening.
today?
Everything looks so good. I think I'd like a large cheese pizza, please. And could you make it a little spicy? Maybe add some chili flakes on top.
As waiter. Of course. Would you like something to drink with that?
As customer. Yes, please. I'll have a cold orange juice. Oh, and can I get some garlic bread, too?
As waiter. Sure. 1 large spicy cheese pizza, 1 orange juice, and garlic bread. Your order will be ready in 15 minutes.
As customer. Perfect. Thank you so much. I can't wait.
And that, my friends, is how you order food politely in English. You use phrases like I'd like, could I have, and please. Simple, polite, and natural. Okay, Emily, let's teach our viewers some food words. We'll say them slowly, and everyone watching can repeat after us.
Pizza, burger, pasta, ice cream, soup, rice.
Great. Now some taste words. Repeat with us. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, crunchy, creamy.
Nice. These words are very useful when you describe food. For example, the fries are crunchy, the soup is salty, or the cake is sweet and creamy.
Perfect examples. Try to mix food words and taste words to make full sentences. That's how you improve your speaking naturally. Let's do another short dialogue so our viewers can practice. What's your favorite food, Emily?
My favorite food is pizza. It's cheesy, soft, and full of flavor. I like it because it makes me happy and I eat it with my family every Friday.
That sounds delicious. I think my favorite food is pasta. I love the creamy sauce and how it fills the whole house with a nice smell when it's cooking. Plus, it's easy to make and very satisfying.
Ooh, pasta's good too, especially with cheese and garlic. I think both of us love cheese a little too much, right?
Haha, maybe we do. But hey, cheese makes everything better. Okay, time for a quick food joke. Why did the student eat his homework?
Ha ha ha. No idea. Why?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Oh no, that's terrible. But funny. Now I'm thinking about real cake. Maybe chocolate.
Chocolate cake. Now that's my new favorite food. All right, friends, quick review time before we finish. How do you talk about your favorite food in English?
Step 1. Say the name. Step 2. Describe the taste. Step 3. Say why you like it. Step 4. Say where or when you eat it.
Exactly. Combine all these, and you can make beautiful sentences like, my favorite food is pizza. It's cheesy and delicious. I like it because it makes me happy, and I usually eat it with my family on weekends. That's natural English, and you can do it too.
Now it's your turn, friends. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food? Is it something sweet, salty, spicy, or crunchy?
We'd love to read your answers. And if you want more fun English lessons like this,
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who love English and food.
that's all for today's tasty English lesson. Remember, the best way to learn English is to practice every day, just like how you eat your favorite food again and again.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better it tastes. I mean, the better your English gets.
Haha, perfect. Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time on English with Mr. G. Bye-bye.